Anthropology is a discipline where human stories, cultures, and biology collide. But is it a natural science or social science? Scholars have debated over years for this. Let's try to explore. According to E.B. Taylor, one of the anthropology founding figures, anthropology is about man in all his manifestations. It covers both biological and cultural aspects of humanity. Anthropologists like Boas emphasize that studying human evolution, genetics, and physical traits, areas linked to natural sciences. His work on skull shapes demonstrated how environment and biology intersect. However, there are scholars who focus on the culture. Clifford Geertz says that culture is equally important and argued that anthropology should focus on thick descriptions of human societies. So this places anthropology in the realm of social sciences. Modern anthropologists like Margaret Mead also combined biological and cultural approaches, showing how both biology and culture shape each other. So anthropology therefore uses methods from both natural sciences and social sciences. As scholars like Tim Gold and Malinowski suggest that anthropology is a unique discipline because it doesn't fit nearly into one box. It bridges the gap between studying human biology and understanding human societies.